Hello my friends, followers, listener and dear traders, how are you all? Hope all is fine and doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you the second and third day of my trading, and look here, this is history, and just started the day. I find today the step index and the class 5 and the signal I posted in my group, and look how things is going to in my way. And look here, the sale of the step index, and look how much it paid me. Let me set the trailing stop. Okay, leave this, and I'm sure I will make more and more awesome money from this trading system. Look here, this sale still I'm holding, and so that's all. And let me see the finger crush. Okay, I have set my trailing stop. I will wait. If market turn back, I will close, or maybe that hit our asset. All things running in profit. Alhamdulillah, thanks of God. I'm happy with this system.